Hello and welcome. In today's video, we're learning how to play Careless Whisper by George Michael. We will need 4 chords for the whole song. The chords are D minor, G minor 7, B flat major 7, and A minor. Let me teach you a few positions that will make switching between chords easier. So go to the D minor and make sure that your hand is pivoting towards the top. Look up. So you want to bring that almost like a door hinge all the way to the top. Make the fingers fit comfortably. And when you go to the G minor 7, look up really quickly. Lay down the index finger first to bar those 2 strings and then just bring the middle finger back. Leave the index finger where it's at. Leave the middle finger where it's at. But just curl that index finger up and add the ring finger. And for the last chord, just the middle finger walks up a string. So those chord switches should make everything easier. So now let's go to picking patterns and strumming. If you're going to be playing the intro part, then all you need to do is down strums. 2, 3, 4. Be soft and dramatic. 4, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. When we get to verse 1, I would love for you to do a picking pattern, something like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and I'll explain it in a second. I just want you to hear it. And something that we should be very careful with is that this is a 4-chord song, meaning that you're going to play the same 4 chords for the entire song. So a way to make it interesting is really with your picking and your strumming and your dynamics, meaning how loud and soft you play. So in that first verse, let's be very quiet and gentle. I'm assigning 1 finger for each string. So G is my thumb, and next each finger has a string, right? And I'm picking on strings G, E, A, and then on C. Alone. C is alone. And I've chosen this picking pattern because it highlights my bass note, right? Being the C string. So it will sound something like this. 1, 2, ready, go. 1 and 2 and 3 and switch now. 2 and 3 and switch now. 1 and 2 and 3. Switch now. Yeah. I feel so unsure as I take your hand and lead you to the dance floor. As the music dies, something in your eyes calls to mind a silver screen. So continue doing the picking pattern there, and as the verse builds up, then what you can do on that last A minor right before the chorus is give me down, 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 stop. Okay, so that's something that I would do. For the chorus, if you hold a D minor and pick on E string, that's your singing note. So here I would add more motion. I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty feet have got no rhythm. So to do that pattern, that strumming pattern, I'm gonna do down, up, and then a chuck or a mute. The specific chuck that I'm doing is I'm curling my hand like a paw, and I'm letting my nails hit the top of the ukulele. And you don't need long nails for this. I'm actually doing it on the nail beds. So I'm doing a down, up, and that chuck or mute, and then up. Down, up, mute, up, down, up, chuck, up. If you are not very comfortable with strumming yet or doing patterns, I have a 5-day challenge where we start with learning how to just do down strums. So I will link that one down below in case you need it. But again, this pattern is down, up, chuck, up, down, up, chuck, up. And the reason this pattern works is that it imitates what the drummer is doing on the snare drum. That's when they would hit. So let's try a little bit of the chorus. I'm Here we go. 1 and 2 and ready, go. I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty feet have got no rhythm. Easy to pretend. No, you're not a fool. Should have known better than to cheat a friend. It's the chance that I've been given. I'm never gonna dance again. Way I've danced with you. Another strumming pattern that you can add later on in the song or in another chorus is down, chuck, down, down, chuck, down, down, chuck, down, down, chuck. If you like today's lesson and you would like to join one of my live lessons, I teach my Patreon members every Wednesday at 12 p.m. Los Angeles time, and I do offer the replay link for anyone who misses the lesson. That's on my Patreon page. If you would like to join in, I'll add the link down below. It's also on the screen. We do these lessons via Zoom, and I get to hear you all playing. You get to ask me questions in real time, and we do songs that I don't normally do here on the channel, so it is exclusive access. Thank you, Jonathan, for editing today's audio, and thank you all for watching. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe. I'm trying to reach 400,000 subscribers, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Ciao.